And yes, done. Oh, hello, I didn't notice you guys there. So today, we're gonna be doing something different. We're gonna be doing origami. And in origami, we're gonna be creating this little toy. So, this is what it does. You'd close it, open it, like this, like that, and that's really all it does. So it's kind of like a stress reliever toy, and it's made out of paper. So that's the cool part. So let's get into it. So first, you take a square piece of paper, like this, and then bring this point all the way to this point. And then crease it from down here, and you should have something like this. And then after this, you would open it up and then fold this side to this corner. So it would go like this. And you should have this all creased up. Like this. And then when you open it up, you should have a cross. So now you bring one of the corners to the middle like this, and then turn it around and then do the same thing. And you should have something like this. Kind of looks like a diamond. Now you turn it around, and then you take your origami, this part over here, take it and put it onto the middle line and crease over here, and then do the same on the other side like this. And then you should have a very long strip like this. So now you take this corner and put it to this little point right here, and then it should be like this. Do the same on the other side, and you should have a rectangle. So now you would fold this part down like this, and then open it back up, open this flap, and then fold this one in and close this flap. And then do this on this side like this, and then fold it out. This part may not open fully because of the other one, so open it just enough so that you could kind of slide it in. And you should have something like this. And now you would take this and kind of make a diagonal line over here by matching this up, and then folding it out again, and then folding it like this. And this kind of reminds me like Pac-Man. And then open it back out, and then where you made the diagonal creases, do it on the other side too, and then you've got this piece right here. And now you have to make 3 of these, like this. So now take any 2 of your pieces, put them in, put this part in over here, and then kind of push it down, and then move it down, and you should find a little flap here for this part to slide in like this, and then you should take your yellow piece, slide it in right here, and then kind of just no, don't put it there. So you should have it like this, and then you take this top part, put it in right here, and then fold it down, and then put it in right here, and then take this part, fold it in right here, take this part and fold it in right here. Now you should have something like this. You can take the time and kind of crease it up over here, and should be like this when you're finished. You can try squeezing it in and then creasing it just to make sure it's fully creased and everything. And then you can take these 2 top and bottom points and then click on it, and it should be back into its full state. Close it. So then you should have both of them, and then like this you have made the fidget toy right here. So I hope you liked my video, and bye for now.